Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. I apologize for the background noise. I'm in my workshop. It's 85 degrees outside, even though it's only 7:20 in the morning here in Clearwater, Florida. And so I have to have my wall air conditioner on, and it's quite noisy. So that's the background noise you hear. Anyway, I found this website that gives you a map of amateur radio licensed people. And I'm going to put the link in the description below this video so you can go to it. Okay. And you can sort on call sign or search for call sign, grid square, zip code, street address. I'm going to do the easy one, zip code. I'm going to put my zip code in. And I'm going to say show map. And down here is the map. And this map is about, 2, 3, maybe more, maybe 5-mile radius from my house. My house is right there. That's me, KE4GSK. And look at all the amateur radio licensed people there are in my area. I had no idea. No idea. And this is, let me zoom out a little bit. See if I can get to Pinellas County. Okay, it's only going to show this area here, even though I've zoomed out. So this is Pinellas County where I live. Here's Clearwater up here where I live. And so it's showing my zip code. So let me zoom back in. And let me just see if I can find, I know at least one person that lives near me. I know him personally. Let me see. Gonna move the map down some. There he is right there. WD0DIA. All this information is available on the internet, so I'm not revealing anything that you can't already get to. Let me just click on his bubble, and there's his information from QRZ.com. I think the E means he's extra class. And here's his name, James Hampson. There's where he lives. Pretty cool. So I could actually send snail mail to him or to these other people. Like, where am I again? I'm up here. So here I am, just within a couple of blocks of me are several people. I had no idea. So I could click on them and send them a snail mail, or maybe even find an email address for them on the internet. Pretty cool. And the reason I did that this morning is yesterday I was looking at the DX Map website, which shows you, matter of fact, I think I still have it up. I think it's right here. And I want to talk about this some more in another show. Yeah, this shows you all the communications, amateur radio communications going on. And you can zoom out, zoom in, check. This is just the 20-meter band. And what I had done is I had zoomed in, and I think it was 80-meter band. Not that it matters. And I zoomed in, and nope, there's nobody doing any communications in Florida. So let's pick another band. Let's go to 40. Yeah. So anyway, I saw on the map there was somebody right close to me that was doing a bunch of communications, in long distance communications. Now remember the band. So anyway, so that made me want to see if I could find him on this other map. And That's why I was at this location here. This is new to me. I've never been here, but looks very valuable. Anyway, if you enjoyed my show, please give me a thumbs up. That tells me I'm doing shows you're interested in. Have a nice day and be safe. I'm locked down. I have pre-existing medical problems that if I caught the virus, I'd probably be a goner. So I can't go anywhere. So I'm in lockdown. So you may see more YouTube videos from me because I'm getting kind of stir crazy. Bye-bye.